Well, hi, welcome. We're at Dreamville in Tomorrowland. Oh my God, you excited, Patrick? Oh my God. Now this is where we're staying at the Relax Rooms. This direction, you could find the main stage and to Tomorrowland itself, where we're gonna be going. Are you excited? Oh my God, I'm so excited. We're gonna go there a little later. This direction, we have the Dreamville Mesa, where we have all the shops. We had the pre-party, which was awesome. They know how to send it. You wanna go inside? I think we should go inside. What do you think, Patrick? Oh my God, let's go in. So get access in, what you gotta do is you have to scan in your Tomorrowland wristband. So we're gonna scan myself in. There we go, and here we go. So we're gonna go collect our key from the Relax Rooms. Hello, good morning. I'd like to pick up my key for EDC Patrick. Thank you so much. Have a good day. We have food over here. There's a bar. There's the mansions. There's the cabanas. DJ booth. We got a pool and hot tubs. Ooh, let's go check out the hot tubs. What do you think, Patrick? Did you know I float? Oh my God, I float in the water. I live in the water. No, not yet. Later, later. We got the hot tubs. Well, the Kokonos, Ko-Onos, I think that's how you pronounce it. Don't hold me to it. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk down towards our Relax Room section, which is super exciting. Again, as I said, everything's all boardwalk. You're not walking through grass. It's up off, super sweet. I love it. Trees are everywhere, grass is everywhere. It's got the Sham vibe with the EDC stages. It is pretty sweet. What do you think, Patrick? Love it. Oh my God. So yeah, yesterday we got in and we flew in from Rome, which we had a lot of fun. We went and seen the Colosseum. We went and seen the Vatican City. Everything was pretty sweet. We flew in. Tomorrowland knows how to send you off. What they did was they have their own DJ booth. So we pre-partied before the plane. On the plane, it was awesome. We arrived. They had the, I'm gonna call them Tomorrowland ferries. So it's, they had two girls. One sign said, "Follow me to Tomorrowland shuttles." It was awesome. Actually, it was "Follow me to Dreamville." Follow me to Dreamville. And then we got on a shuttle. It was a short transit. I'm gonna say transit. Short transit to where the large shuttles are at, and they were Mercedes, which was super sweet. AC was cranked up to 11. They gave you a Tomorrowland apple and a gift basket, or well, a gift bag. We're gonna say a gift bag, and it had dice, so we can play Yahtzee later. You want to play Yahtzee? So here we go. This is the Relax Room section. And what these are sea cans that they converted, and they're pretty sweet. So they look long, but what they have is they have each sea can is 2 units, front and back. So we have our hammocks over in the far corner here, and the lights, like they know how to do the aesthetics right. Look at that, that is super cool. All of that. We got trees. The hammock section is super cool. Now, you want to go home, Patrick? You want to go home? Yes. Let's go see what it looks like. I want to go home. So this is us. We are in the, wait for it, Maca Road. We're going to say Maca. Maca? Maca. Maca. So here we go. We're going home. We're in 53, 50, 51, 52, 53. This is it. This is it. You excited to go in? Oh my God. Let's go inside.
Good morning, sunshine.
Here we go. Ooh, look at that. Let's look at the flag. Let's just appreciate that for a second. That looks good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna look at, oh, look at that. That is slick. So we have our beds. This is mine. And that's Mrs. EDC Patrick's. And then we got the hooks. The hooks are my idea. So what this is a removable hook, command strap. So I can remove it later. Slick, right? Slick. So I'm all set up and Mrs. EDC Patrick, she packed candy. She packed candy. Now, this is Secan, so it's definitely warm. You're gonna make sure you wanna bring a fan. Fan's an awesome idea. Let's go check out the rest of the amenities. Let's go check out the rest of the amenities. So the bathrooms are this way. Oh, I forgot to lock it. Ah, it's okay, we're good. So these are the bathrooms. We got bathrooms on either side, so here we go. And then we got showers. Let's see what the showers look like. Hopefully no one's in this one. Oh, water's running though. Hot water's in that one, I know that for sure. What else? Let's go this way. So these are the Relax Room regulars, and they have a Relax Room Spectacular. So the Relax Room Spectacular, what it is it's a little bit extra. It's closer to the bathrooms, and then it comes with a I'm gonna say a GA Plus or VIP, and it has access to the VIP decks. We don't have that, but that's okay. But we can go appreciate the heck out of it. What do you think, Patrick? Yes. So here we go. This is the Relax Room Spectacular section. So they got a little bit more shading. They got a little bit more shading, but it's okay. We got all the shade we need. In there, they also got picnic tables for sitting. And then they also have a fancy shower, which I totally used. And the water is brisk. It reminds me of Fernie. So here it is. Tomorrowland knows how to do it right. Look at that. Look at that. That is sweet. That is sweet. And this is the Relax Room section. This is where we're staying. This is Tomorrowland Dreamville. What do you think, Patrick? Love it. Oh my God, love it. You want to go party? Yes. Of course I want to party. Well, I hope you had as much fun watching as I did making this. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and have fun. We'll see you out there.